I really want to cancel that because it's not fair for me that to deduct my account.
I understand. Okay, no worries. Let me try to connect you again to client here. Hopefully someone will be available to assist you. If not, then someone will call you back. So I just got in touch with the client here. Please be advised that no changes can be made until we speak with the client here agent. And there might be a brief hold, but it will prompt you for a callback request if you prefer not to wait one. Okay, for a moment, Dina, I'll go and connect you now. Thank you, and they have a good one.
Okay.
You're so mad, right?
Yeah, of course I'll be mad.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Why they care about my credit? I don't care. I don't need anybody to help to build my fucking credit.
They're building your credit?
Yeah, they want to build my credit because they think I'm bad credit. That's bullshit.
You think you're bad credit?
I don't know.
What's your credit?
Hello?
Hi, good.
Thank you for calling us, Spring Financial. Hi, my name is Mary. How can I help you?
Oh, hi Mary. Like, I want to to begging you. Like, can you please cancel my deduction for my personal loan because I never have fucking loan in financial like a personal loan for Spring Financial. I don't have. I tried to apply before long time, and then like if I denied, I denied. Like don't this someone take my money in every my paycheck. Like it's not fair for me. I'm trying to have a loan, and then why did it? If I denied, I denied. Why I'm trying to pay with nothing? If to build my credits, please cancel. I don't need anybody to build my credit because that's my responsibility, not that's not yours responsibility.
Let's see. Sorry to hear that. So yeah, I can help you. Let me just bring up your file here. May I know what is the phone number of the file so to pull up your account?
250 460 33